Hey everyone, welcome back! I'm so glad you're joining me today because we're about to dive into a super fun and creative project that will totally transform your kitchen space. Whether you're a seasoned DIYer or just starting out, you're in the right place. Today's episode is all about making your kitchen not just more functional, but also a true reflection of your personal style. Today, I'll show you how to create custom kitchen accessories, DIY style, using just basic tools and a bit of creativity. You don't need a fancy workshop or expensive gadgets, just a few simple supplies, a little bit of time, and your imagination. I'll walk you through each step so you can follow along and make these projects your own. Whether your style is rustic and cozy, sleek and minimal, or bold and colorful, you'll find plenty of inspiration in our 5-project lineup. I've designed these projects to be easily customizable, so you can tweak them to perfectly match your kitchen's vibe and your own taste. Imagine how satisfying it'll be to see your own handiwork every time you cook or entertain. We're starting off with a beautiful handmade cutting board, perfect for prepping meals or serving up snacks when friends come over. I'll show you how to choose the right wood, shape it, and finish it so it lasts for years. Next, we'll tackle a clever pot lid organizer to keep your cabinets tidy, a rustic utensil holder that adds charm to your countertop, and a space-saving spice rack that puts your favorite flavors right at your fingertips. Each project is designed to be both practical and stylish. And don't forget the simple tea towel hanger, a small detail that makes a big difference in keeping your kitchen organized and looking great. Stick around for my top tips on customizing these projects to match your kitchen vibe. I'll share ideas for finishes, colors, and materials so you can really make each piece your own. Plus, I'll answer some common questions and share a few tricks I've learned along the way to make your DIY journey even smoother. And if you're new here, don't forget to hit subscribe and tap the bell so you never miss a DIY drop. There's so much more to come, and I can't wait to see what you create. Let's get started and transform your space together. Let's kick things off with a project that's as beautiful as it is practical. A stunning cutting board crafted entirely from scrap hardwood. Instead of tossing out those leftover wood pieces from other projects, you can transform them into something both functional and stylish for your kitchen. This is a fantastic way to give new life to materials that might otherwise go to waste. And the end result is a one-of-a-kind piece you'll be proud to show off. Using scrap wood isn't just eco-friendly, it's also a chance to infuse your project with character and personality. Each piece of wood tells its own story, with unique grain patterns, colors, and textures. By mixing and matching different types of hardwood, you can create a cutting board that's truly unique. Don't be afraid to experiment with contrasting shades and grains. The more variety, the more eye-catching your finished board will be. Start by cutting your wood scraps down to size. You can use a miter saw for quick, precise cuts, or a hand saw if you prefer a more hands-on approach. Aim for a variety of widths and lengths. This will add visual interest to your board. Take your time with this step, making sure each piece is straight and even, as this will make assembly much easier later on. Next, lay out your pieces on a flat surface and play around with the arrangement. Try different patterns, alternating light and dark woods, or creating a random mosaic. Once you're happy with the design, start gluing the pieces together. Use a good quality wood glue and apply it evenly to the edges. Press the pieces firmly together to ensure a strong bond. After gluing, it's time to clamp your board. Use bar clamps to hold everything tightly in place while the glue dries. Make sure the pieces stay aligned and flat. This will help prevent warping. Leave the board clamped for several hours, or overnight if possible, to ensure the glue sets completely. Once the glue is dry, remove the clamps and get ready to sand. Start with a coarse grit sandpaper to smooth out any uneven edges or glue residue. Gradually work your way up to a finer grit for a silky smooth finish. Pay special attention to the edges and corners, rounding them off slightly for a comfortable grip. Sanding not only makes the board pleasant to use, but also brings out the natural beauty of the wood. Now it's time to finish your board. Apply a generous coat of food-safe oil, such as mineral oil or a special cutting board oil, using a clean cloth. The oil will soak into the wood, protecting it from moisture and highlighting the rich colors and grain patterns. Don't rush this step. Let the oil penetrate deeply for the best results. After oiling, wipe off any excess with a soft cloth and let the board rest for several hours or even overnight. This allows the oil to fully absorb, ensuring your cutting board is both beautiful and durable. You may want to repeat the oiling process a couple of times for extra protection, especially if the wood is particularly dry. For added functionality, consider attaching rubber feet to the bottom of your board. These will keep it from sliding around on your countertop and help prevent moisture from getting trapped underneath. Simply screw or glue the feet into place at each corner. Alternatively, you can drill a hole in one corner of the board. This makes it easy to hang your cutting board on a hook for storage or display, keeping it within easy reach and saving valuable counter space. And just like that, your custom cutting board is ready to use. Whether you're prepping ingredients for dinner or serving up cheese and snacks for guests, this board will be a standout piece in your kitchen. The best part about this project is how much room there is for creativity. No two boards will ever be exactly alike, and each one reflects your personal style and the unique materials you have on hand. You can make boards in different shapes and sizes, or even experiment with inlays and decorative edges. Don't hesitate to try out new wood combinations or patterns. Maybe you'll discover a favorite pairing of colors or grains that becomes your signature style. The possibilities are endless, and every board you make will be a little different from the last. Enjoy your new kitchen essential, knowing you've created something both beautiful and sustainable. Every time you use it, you'll be reminded of the creativity and care that went into making it from simple scraps to a chic, functional work of art. Tired of pot lids cluttering your cabinets? Let's make a simple organizer. Grab a wood board that fits inside your cabinet door or on your wall. Paint, stain, or leave it natural, your choice. Attach wooden dowels or metal rods spaced to fit your lids. Secure the dowels, then customize with paint or stencils for personality. Mount the organizer for easy access and a tidy kitchen. Adjust the size and number of dowels to fit your needs. Simple, effective, and totally customizable. Let's upcycle tin cans into a stylish utensil holder. Clean and dry your cans, then decorate. Wrap with twine, paint, or use fabric for your desired look. Attach the cans to a reclaimed wood base using hose clamps for a rustic, industrial vibe. Tighten the clamps and you're set. Mount it on the wall or keep it on your counter for easy access. This project adds personality and keeps utensils organized. Upcycling never looked so good. Who knew tin cans could be this chic? Let's bring order to your spice chaos with a custom rack. Measure your space and cut wood boards to fit. Sand the edges for a smooth finish. Assemble shelves with wood glue and nails, making sure they're level. Sand again for a flawless base. Finish with paint, stain, or stenciled labels. Get creative. I love a classic white with hand-painted spice names. Mount your rack and organize your spices for easy access. No more digging through cluttered cabinets. Enjoy your handmade, perfectly sized spice rack. Give your tea towels a stylish home with this quick DIY hanger. Use a wood slice for a rustic touch and a dowel or a copper pipe for hanging. Drill a hole in the wood slice, then attach the dowel or pipe securely. Add a decorative cap or ribbon for extra flair. Mount your hanger and display your towels with pride. Personalize with paint, stencils, or a cute quote. It's fast, easy, and adds instant charm to your kitchen. Small project, big impact. What an incredible transformation. Take a moment to admire all the hard work and creativity you've poured into your kitchen. It's amazing to see how a few simple DIY projects can completely change the look and feel of your space, making it more functional, stylish, and uniquely yours. Today, you crafted a beautiful wooden cutting board, designed a clever pot lid organizer, and added practical touches that make your kitchen work better for you every day. You also created a custom utensil holder, a handy spice rack, and a stylish tea towel hanger. Each project not only adds personality to your kitchen, but also helps keep things organized and accessible. I hope you're feeling inspired and empowered to try even more kitchen upgrades. Remember, every project you complete builds your skills and confidence, and brings you closer to the kitchen of your dreams. Don't worry if you're just starting out. DIY doesn't have to be complicated or expensive. Begin with small, manageable projects and enjoy the process of learning and creating. The most important thing is to have fun and make your space reflect your personality. If you enjoyed this video, please give it a thumbs up and share it with your friends and family. You never know who you might inspire to start their own DIY journey. Let us know in the comments which project was your favorite, or if you have any creative ideas for future videos. And don't forget to subscribe to our channel for more easy, fun, and budget-friendly DIY ideas. We have plenty more home transformation projects and kitchen design tips coming your way soon, so stay tuned for more inspiration and step-by-step guides. Until next time, keep creating, keep experimenting, and remember, your home should be a place you truly love. Thanks for watching, and see you in the next video.